green screens here. Yeah, my package came today, and I said that I was getting a green screen in the last video. I'm getting a green screen, so woo! That's awesome, I guess. Very brightly right here. Yeah, and it's finally come. I don't want that to show it. And 1 minute. Okay, so green screen here. The thing is, when I ordered this, it was supposed to come in 3 to 5 working days. It came in 2 days. Alright, I'm not complaining. Let's have a look at it. Oh, got it. In there. Alright. Thank you and congratulations. Yeah. And oh. That's the green screen, right? I also got black and white. Camera. And yeah, so I've also got black and white. What, need the knife again? Alright, so the poles, more poles, clampity clamp, more poles with a duffel bag thing. Alright, there's a hole in this box. Okay. Alright, let me think about this and I can set it up and I'll show you. Okay. Okay. And oh! Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, anyway. So it's kind of done, apart from like it. Ow. Apart from look. It looks awesome, you know? So I just didn't know how big it was going to be when I got it. Oh well, I checked the height of it just to make sure that it was long enough, but I didn't check the width of it. Don't start moving about for me, okay?
Right, let's just get one side on. Okay, one side up. Come on.
Oh, it's a bit yeah. Well, hey, I got it up. How's it look? How's it look? Damn it! Wait. What's on? Okay, it's time to move. So it's not the same as what I saw. I can't camera. See, that would be awesome. See, I've just got it resting. Yeah, I'll just have me here. That is no. I need a stand for it. That's why. That is why I need a stand for it. Stand. Think. What can I stand it on? Oh, of course I can stand it on my non-branded drink. Oh, sorry for all this. Now, that's a good angle. But hi. Damn it. I think I'd have to deal with that for now. Yeah. Alright guys, well, that's been me putting this up. As always, I'll see you later. Peace. Oh, again. Oh, get the camera. Get the camera. Get the camera. Oh. Is that you?